Hello, this is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer, showing you a Takeuchi TL150 that we have for sale here at Texas Skid Steer. It's a 97 horsepower machine. Good undercarriage, good tracks, good solid machine all the way around. Has auxiliary hydraulics, has hand controls. I mean, it's just a very nice machine, ready to go to work. I've used it around the lot pretty much all day. We just rinsed it off, rinsed the dust off of it. But I mean, it is a nice machine, and it's a 2-speed machine. You can see all the skid steers we have for sale by going to our website, texasskidsteer.com. Thank you, and y'all have a great day.